Spain is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. Based on many different factors, we can separate Spain into three main agroecological environments. The wet Atlantic system, with a positive annual humidity balance. The dry Mediterranean system, with a very little humidity and very pronounced dry summers that can last between 3 to 5 months. And the semi-arid system, which is very similar to the Mediterranean system, where the number of dry months is equal or greater than half of a year. Stock farming accounts for 40% of Spain's final agricultural output. The significance of sheep farming arises from its three production uses: meat, milk, and wool. The census of Spain's sheep livestock is one of the greatest in the European Union.
A good system functioning of milking favors a good productivity and health of the breast of the animal. It will be necessary to assure a correct maintenance of all the materials in touch with the milk, so that its extraction should be done by the maximum sanitary guarantees. The dairy, place of storage of the milk, is the link of the livestock farm with the exterior. The storage of the milk must be done in the best hygienic and sanitary conditions, avoiding the deterioration of the milk during the storage. Every present animal in the livestock farm is identified individually. Every animal will be identified in a different way according to their destination. The milking must be realized according to the established conditions respecting the needs of the animals and in conditions of hygiene. Everything related to the livestock facilities and equipments are kept in a good condition of cleanliness in order to facilitate the milking and storage of the milk. It is necessary to clean everything used, whether it is the whole-use tools that have been in touch with the milk or walls and floor of the place. To avoid any pollution source, the places of milking and storage are separated, as the dairy is separated from the places where the animals are.
Housing needs for sheep depend on climate, season of lambing, and management. There are many different types of housing that can be used for sheep. Traditional barn and metal buildings are usually expensive, but they provide the best protection for the shepherd, sheep, feed, and equipment. Facilities should be located on elevated, well-drained sites. Barns should be easily accessible for deliveries and manure handling. The site should allow for installation of water and electricity. When confined to a building, a brood ewe requires 12 to 16 square feet of living space. Good ventilation is an absolute must. Respiratory problems often result from poor ventilation. It can be accomplished by either natural or mechanic means, but usually naturally ventilated is preferable. Sheep can adapt to a complete confinement system of production. Confinement enables a producer to raise sheep or increase flock size in situations where land is a limiting factor due to a durability cost.